The church roof on 7 days, church, go in. My neighbor roof, gone. Boy, watch that. Oh, you don't see what we see. It's rough in Dominica, boss.
On the morning of September 19th, 2017, Dominica faced the harsh realities of climate change. The once green and flamboyant nation was transformed into a landfill for the catastrophe that was Hurricane Maria. More than $500 million in infrastructural damages, buildings and businesses destroyed, roofless homes, broken communities and people, roads, bridges, lush vegetation, all washed away and blown away.
I am 60 years old. First time I have ever witnessed that kind of thing.
We need a lot of tarpaulins and supplies.
We dug graves today in Dominica. Our homes are flattened. Our buildings roofless. Our water pipes smashed and road infrastructure destroyed. Our hospital is without power and schools have disappeared beneath the rubble. Our crops are uprooted. Where there was green, there is now only dust and dirt. The desolation is beyond imagination. Mr. President, fellow leaders, the stars have fallen. Eden is broken.
Despite the broken homes, minds, and hearts, Dominica announced its goals to become the first climate-resilient country in the world, led by the Prime Minister, Roosevelt Skerrit. Through efforts of the Dominican people, the government, and regional and international friends, to date, water and sewerage services have been restored to 98% of the country. The electricity company reports that 97% of its pre-Maria customers have been reconnected. Communications have been restored by both Digicel and Flow, including radio services. Several rivers in Dominica have been dredged and have proven to withstand increased water flow from heavy rainfall. All primary and secondary roads have been made accessible, some rehabilitated. Work continues on the repairs and construction of permanent bridge structures and Bailey bridges. Over $55 million have been invested by government in the housing sector, and millions more by development partners and friendly governments. A revised physical planning building code was published. The tourism industry is growing, with continued works on new hotel developments with new fashions in that sector. Government has directly injected over $3 million in the business sector, and the sector has returned to a state of buoyancy. All students are back in the classroom. Over $86 million injected into the recovery of the education sector. The agriculture sector is blooming with a direct investment of $18 million from the World Bank, distribution of tissue culture, resilient plantlets, and other agricultural inputs and local hucksters. After a successful return of Dominica's Carnival in February 2018, the country plans to host its independence celebration with the headlining World Creole Music Festival in October 2018. The government and people of Dominica stand resolute in building back better.